From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a big thunderstorm cluster, also known as a mesoconvective system or mesoconvective complex, really impacted the northern part of the state into Mississippi this afternoon, and that continues to roll to the south and east. And coming out of it, let's go to the chroma key wall. It almost looks like, and this has kind of shown this over the last couple of days, almost looks like a little bit of a tropical system. It has tropical moisture, and even though the winds are generally light out of the west, look what's happening aloft. We see almost high pressure ridging aloft, allowing for a little outflow here. But the bottom line, these type of storms are quite normal this time of year, and they're very difficult to forecast. And sometimes they can hold a surprise, and other times we might go high rain chances and nothing develops. Like yesterday, the models were going 60 to 80%. It turned out to be a 30-40% day across Acadiana. And even tonight, the models were going for up to 100% chance of rain, and we didn't see much here locally. And then we have this other thunderstorm cluster up here by Oklahoma, another mesoconvective complex erupting with an upper level low to the north and west. And we see that here as we look at the water vapor imagery. We have one here. This one has been dominating off to the north and east. We have another weak upper level low here, but what's going to happen with time, high pressure is going to bank into the north and west, and that's going to really mitigate the amount of showers and thunderstorms we see here locally. Meanwhile, this low pressure system by the west coast, that's going to be moving toward Texas, and the two are going to combine to funnel in lots of tropical moisture and instability across the Lone Star State, where there will be flooding in the days ahead. Locally, as we take a look at the lower 48, we can see some snow in the western portions of the Colorado Rockies. There was severe weather threat earlier today, but that has since dissipated. Still a tornado watch in effect for portions of Texas and Oklahoma, and now we see most of the showers and storms weakening and moving away from Acadiana. And as we pull in all the Doppler sweeps here, we can watch the activity up toward Oklahoma. We've had a couple of storms, that one that's west of Weatherford, another one that's producing hail and perhaps high winds, and then a couple of tornado warnings going, even and a severe thunderstorm warning going just south and east of Norman and Oak City. So some rough weather for our friends to the northwest of us. And then back off to the east, well, the showers and storms beginning to weaken. You can see a lot of cloud to ground lightning still with this cell as by the Gulfport area, and action moving toward the beaches as we head through the overnight hours. Meanwhile, locally here in Acadiana, not a whole lot going on. You did see a little bit of a storm here on the other side of the Lake Pontchartrain here, Hammond over toward the Mandeville area. But locally, we're picking up on a few blips, light shower near Crowley, few blips around Eunice. But again, that's all we're going to see tonight. Rain chances staying at 10%, mostly cloudy skies across the area. We'll kind of bring it in and show you that one shower that is just by the Eunice area, and then we'll move the map here with our hand tracking down right by I-10. A little bit of a small shower, just a very light shower near the Crowley area and I-10. So as we take a look at the extended HRRR model here, it should be a relatively quiet night. Clouds stay locked in. I don't think we see 75. I think it's going to be closer to 76 or 77 for a low. So it doesn't cool off a whole lot, and the dew points are in the mid-70s. And then for tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90. Latest extended HRRR model giving us a shot at 90 degrees. And notice not much shower activity tomorrow, so we'll go down to 20% or less, much the same as we head into Saturday morning, maybe a little bit cooler Saturday morning, few spotty showers Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, but overall rain chances down as we head into the weekend. So 70s overnight tonight. It feels like summer out there. Upper 80s the high tomorrow, and that heat index pushing the mid 90s, and we can copy and paste that as we head into Saturday and Sunday. So 76 the overnight low, an isolated shower or two, and Mr. Humidity hanging out, and he's here to stay for a while, maybe 4 or 5 months. Then for tomorrow, warm summer humidity for sure, and we'll also have a slight chance of that afternoon shower or thunder shower. And again, rain chances low, 20% range through Mother's Day. Going into next week, the risk of afternoon showers and storms. There's a 90-degree day in there or 2 or 3 more, but we can't forecast that quite yet. Afternoon showers, but no big weather makers. But look at Saturday, might have a front, and we could see slightly cooler conditions by the end of next week, and fingers crossed. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.